You're really getting the hang of your dance routine, Alva.
Thanks, Mum. Can I get your permission to install a new video recording app for my dance routines?
It says it requires access to the microphone and camera.
So, can I? Pretty please?
I'm not sure about this app. You know, you should never give anything access to your microphone and camera without trusting it 100%. They could record everything you do without you knowing and plaster it all over the internet.
But they seem like you can trust them.
Privacy is very important, Alva. What if Finn could know where you were hiding during hide and seek? What if your friend could hear when you were planning their surprise party? What if everyone could see you picking your nose? I'll be in the kitchen.
I wonder if they have problems like this in Gizmo. No, go, Gizmo! Ooh. Hey everyone, what are you doing?
Hello, Alva. Hello, Mo. We're taking photos of flutterflies.
Wow, I haven't seen flutterflies before. They're so pretty.
Well, they appear around Gizmo for a few weeks each year. They're good luck.
And they keep the trolls away.
Trolls just hate flutterflies.
And we enjoy the peace and quiet while they're here.
Put your arm out, Alva.
Aww.
It's not a real Flutterfly Glump. It's our Flutter-Spy recorder.
Don't do that.
Let's see what it's been recording today. Oh, goody! It's captured some really great moments. Uploading to the Sky screen now.
Why is the Sky screen showing me in the middle of my lunchtime nap? Can somebody please make it stop?
How? What? Why? Who? Oh, no!
Mayor Garth, is there any way of making this stop?
I'm afraid not, Alva. Even if I managed to switch off the Sky screen, whoever recorded it saved it somewhere else.
Oh.
Everyone, stop watching and please follow me. We'll get to the bottom of this. It's so embarrassing to have private moments shown for everyone to see, let alone hear people laughing at you. If we can't stop the videos from being shared, then we need to find out who's behind this mean and horrible prank.